Hello friends, it's Reza Blade. You've come to my channel, strike that, reverse it. It's Reza. You've come to my channel, Reza Blade, and I've had a couple of days of astonishing technical difficulties. So I hope this is the video I finally get to upload, and I hope it isn't corrupted when I go to look at it. Anyway, so I've got some UR sugar plates for you today, brand new for the summer. And I'm just going to get through them as quick as I can. I've got 2 manis for you, and of course I did the swatches. So let's dig in here. We've got UR M14. This is like a doodle style plate. It'd be really fun to color in, or not, however you want to do it. UR M15, and there's some layering images on this one. You'll see the big solid stamping areas right next to the little detail-oriented line stamps. And then we've got some tiles that are for the whole finger. I love this image of the lady sunning on her towel. Pretty cool. And let's give you an idea of that size. So we're at 5/8 here of an inch by 1 inch down that. So there's that one. Let's see, a couple of round plates. These are some summer fruits. Be great for coloring in. I mean, you could even do this as a decal. You could do one color here, and then another color for this area, and then another color down here, or match that to the first line. That would be a lot of fun to color in. All right. We've got a nautical round one, UR S15. I love this little guy. Fishy in the porthole. And you'll notice in my mani on my right hand, I isolated this triangle motif here, and I took this silhouette stuff off of it, and I put different elements right where these go. So possibilities are endless with this one. Let's see. Here's a UR L007. We've got a bunch of animal skin prints. I'm going to give you an idea of the size on this one. It looks like it is a different measurement than the other tiles on the other plates. So we've got 5/8 by so that is almost an inch. It's not quite though. All right, we've got a bunch of other little animals here. We've got kind of a Hands Across America idea here with these animals with outstretched arms. Those are fun. I love this tile. These guys are fun. You could color all those in different colors. Alrighty, and the whale and the cat. So those are those. We have a floral plate here, UR L012. Love those butterflies. Alrighty. And last but not least this is the rectangular plate that goes with the summer set. A bunch of flamingos on here. Okie dokie. So on this hand, my right hand, got a nautical mani. there's that layering image. And on this hand, I've got a bunch of animal skin prints on an ombre. And here are the swatches. So here's URL015. I used Sinful Black on Black for this one, most of them anyway. The ones that aren't black were made with a PinPai, like dark teal. Alright, URL012. Picks up so great. Alright. Here's the square plates. URM14. And I did this with the Born Pretty stamping polish. URM15. URL007. And this is a mess up on my part. I left it on the stamper too long. But here it turned out okay. I like that chick with the babies. I mean chicks with the mama. URS14. This would make a fun decal. You could do one color up here on this line, fill the rest of it in with a different color, and then the same color as the top down here in this area. It'd be a lot of fun. URS15. There we go. That'll do us for the swatches. Now we just have to cross our fingers and pray that this uploads. Subscribe, please. It really does help me a lot. And click that notification bell so that you can get updates whenever I upload. If you enjoyed the video today, please give me a thumbs up. And any questions or comments, just list them below. I'll have the purchasing information as usual in the description box. And you guys have a fabulous day.